Today I'm going to do my best to restore this Barbie dual hair mermaid Teresa. Her hair is pretty tangled and frizzy from years and years of play. This doll came out in the 1980s, I think it was, or maybe early 90s, and we're gonna restore her to the best we can. She does have her outfit. There is some fraying and some discoloration on the outfit, so for some reason the fabric that they used, it almost faded like as it stretched, which is sad because I've owned a few short hair mermaid dolls in the past and they just really do lose color over time. So I'm just going to put it in some soapy water and clean off the dirt and any residue, and I'm going to do the same with her. Her hair is not too bad, it's in pretty good condition, to be honest. Like, it's thick and it's not really frizzy and tangled, especially at the ends. So I feel like I'm not going to have to do loads and loads of work, but because it's Kanekalon hair, it is probably one of the hardest hair types to resolve besides polypropylene. But I don't do polypropylene, I hate it, it's the worst hair fiber, there's no fixing it. But yeah, so I'm just going to do my best and I'm going to restore her. I'm going to get her clean. She's really not in that bad shape, to be honest, so I'm just going to do my best. We want her hair to be like cascading down super long back to its original state, and maybe we can add some twists and some braids. It's going to be really pretty. I've owned a few dual hair mermaid dolls in the past and it's always a nightmare on how to restore them, so I'm just going to show you how I do it. So the best method is just to shampoo the hair at first, because you want to get any glitter residue, any dirt, anything that's left in the hair, you want to get rid of that. So that's what I'm doing here. And then once you've soaked that and you've cleaned the doll and she's in a good state, you don't want to rub it too much as well, because you are just going to tangle it more. That's another thing. But a second thing is, once you've finished, get a really good, just a cheap conditioner, honestly, just the cheapest one you can get. The more silicones, the better. Completely saturate the hair. You know, it has two ways. Like, you can say people don't want to do that because it's got silicone, so it can make the hair heavy. But for me, I've always done it and it works perfectly fine. So she does have an elastic hairband tangled in this hair, so we're going to get rid of that. And then, yeah, you can just see I've just got a pretty cheap conditioner here. This one works perfectly fine for me, and I love the strawberries and creams. The smell is so nice. And now it's time to get to work. Take it section by section and you'll get there.
Flower, clean and glow. Let your power shine. Make the clock reverse. Bring back the...
And now we can soak the hair. This is a method, like, I'm struggling a bit because it's quite tangled at the base of the scalp, so there's a lot of knots there. So I'm literally just gonna let the doll sit in this, it's called a conditioner bath, I think that's what it's called. And I'm just gonna let it sit in there for a while. Hopefully the fibers can soften, and then I'm gonna go back and start brushing it again. Once the hair is brushed out mostly, then I can lay her on a towel, and then I can slowly start brushing it out section by section. When we're finally done, we can do a boil wash, which is the best bit, because that's when it all comes together and she's gonna look amazing. So it's the next day now and her hair has completely dried. That is really silky and she looks so much better now. But because I don't want this to tangle again, I am gonna have to do some sort of hairstyle, because this is Kanekalon and it gets super tangled, but the movement is just so pretty. So this is her hair currently. You can see it's so long and so shiny. She looks really good. And I've got a lot of like accessories and stuff, so I might see what I can put together to put some stuff in her hair, and then, you know, just find a way to make the hair together. I also have lots of beads as well. I'm just trying to think of the best way I can make it work with the outfit. You know, I might put some beads in and stuff, and then, you know, so it's more intact. But yeah, I'll show you when I've styled the hair and styled the doll. Obviously she doesn't have, I haven't said this yet, but she doesn't have the fin. But I will look on eBay and hopefully I find a fin. I need to tidy up my doll display, but this is just my little setup at the moment. And I'm gonna put some lights and stuff. I'm gonna organize it really well, so then I've got like a different section, because I'm gonna try and keep the dolls to just one section. And then I'm gonna have like maybe some video games and some books, and then, you know, art stuff, and just carry on like that. But for now, I'm just restyling dolls. But yeah, so I'm gonna put her outfit on and then style her, and I'll show you when she's finished.